Benny and Lila walked through the woods. Suddenly, thunk! Benny tripped over a rock. Splash! He landed face first in a muddy puddle. Yuck! Benny sat up, dripping with brown goo. I look like a mud pie, Benny said. Lila giggled, let's clean you up. They found a quiet lake nearby. Benny bent down to wash his face. As he looked at his reflection, something suddenly splashed water right